Hi everyone and welcome to Leggett Land at Christmas. I'm going to give you a little quick tour just to see what's going on. We're going to go into marketing first. Now marketing have to plan things so far in advance that they're pretty much sick of Christmas. It's a bit Grinchified in here. Come and have a look. This is Kathleen, our designer, with a new magazine. Wow. Look at this!
Oh, again! Hundreds of properties. And turn the music off, please.
Hi Julie, just seeing how we're doing for marketing properties at Christmas.
Computer says sold. J'essaie de travailler sur une photo de Trevor, mais bon, il avait le teint un peu vert le jour-là. C'est une catastrophe.
Can we cancel Christmas this year, please?
Nobody's very happy in here. I think we'll leave marketing and go up to the happy room where they look after all the clients. We're a little bit grumpy in there today, but we're going to go upstairs now and we're going to see Santa's Grotto with all the sales support team that are all happy it's Christmas and all the little elves are working on getting the properties out there. But first of all, I need to get out of this grumpy dress. That's better, proper Christmas dress now. Now we're going to go upstairs and see the elves in self-support who are looking after all the clients this Christmas. As you can see, elves at work, and back down there is Grumpy Town. Come and see the happy people. So here we are in the elves workshop. Over here, Natalie Leggett, who is the director of the elves. Natalie, can you tell us what's going on in here today?
I certainly can. Well, as you can see, we've received Santa's Christmas delivery already of all our properties. So what we do is we go across to our wish machine, which is linked to the North Pole here via telecommunications. So it's very sophisticated. We get our client wish list.
Wow. So this one looks like a very, very special client that's come through on the wish list, on the wish machine.
That's right. It is a very important client. So what we do now is we go over to one of our busy elves and we ask them to take the criteria and they will have a look in the region and find some lovely property matches.
Send them down the chimney in these
Yes,
boxes?
we will send them a selection of properties.
Wow.
And then the clients can decide which ones they'd like to come and view.
Fantastic. But what happens if you can't deliver them down the chimney? If they don't have a chimney?
Well, we have virtual tours for that.
Excellent.
So our elves will be busy doing those and get those sent off.
So they can watch them virtually online.
Absolutely.
Very good idea. So what happens next?
Well, we actually have some clients who have recently taken ownership of their new house. Follow me.
Welcome.
Thank you. We've come to see your new house.
Yeah, lovely, isn't it?
Oh, it's ever so cosy. Your armchair and your Christmas tree and your lovely log fire, keeping you nice and toasty at this winter time. And you even have your own office space.
Perfect.
And were you very happy with your Leggett service from Leggett Land?
That was wonderful. The staff is absolutely incredible.
Oh, fantastic. That's really good to hear. Well, our director of elves probably needs to get back to work and we need to
Definitely.
get everybody up.
So from all the elves and helpers at Leggett Land, we wish you a very